Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So also welcome back to my kitchen. So today I am making beef stew with cabbage. It's simple yet very yummy. So do stick around to watch the full recipe. Also, if you haven't, please do subscribe, and if you have, I appreciate you. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm gonna put some oil, put our meat. Then you add your carrot. We'll add 2 beef cubes. Then we'll add a half of the chili cube. Then we'll add black pepper. Then we'll add coriander. Then we'll add our tomatoes. Then we'll add our potatoes and our soy sauce. Then I'm gonna add some chunky cabbages. You can chop them however you want, but I like mine chunky. Our food is done. So here is our food. It's ready. As you can see, it's looking yummy. So if you try this recipe, don't forget to tell me how it turns out. So yeah, here's our food. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, all the good things. Let's push this channel to grow. Thank you.